Alright friends, there it is, basically done. A cart for the acetylene, oxygen acetylene torch, ready to go. Roll it around, secure. Hey friends, welcome back to Jason's Design Shop, where today we're going to make a cart to hold this cool acetylene tank setup that my good friend Randall's picking up for me. He is awesome. So we're trying to set it up, and we found out that we didn't have the part right here that should be on the acetylene tank. Doesn't have it, so won't be here till Monday. So while we wait for that, we're gonna build a cart to hold it all. And I went digging through all my junk. That's why you never throw anything away. I found these great tires from who knows what, a cart or something built back in the day. They look great. They've got bearings in them, so it's gonna work for each side of the cart. Nice that it even has some washers to go on each side. We can figure that all out when we get there. All right, let's get going. Alright, so here's the plan. I'm going to cut this piece out for a base right here. We're going to use this for a rim around it so the tanks can set inside. Then we're going to have some 2x4s on the bottom going back, maybe across the front, to hold the front up. The tires will go in the back here, with so the 2x4s will go further back. Then we'll have runners going up for a handle, and we'll just kind of follow our nose as we go. So let's have fun. Oh, look at that. Big tear out here, clean here. Well, now you know. So here's our piece. The only piece we got to trim is on here, and that. We're pretty good. Let's do that. Perfect. Let's screw this down. Wheels will go here, and the uprights are ready to go. Best part down. There. Oh, I got one in. Drill these 4 holes. About to hook this onto the stand here. Just some 4 screws on both sides. And that might be hard to drill a nice, perfectly straight hole in here. So I think it's time to drill the hole here first. Then we can put that on while we got good run. We need to get in here. Right, check this out. I got this rod. It's gonna go perfect across here. We'll have to cut it. And looks like it fits perfect in the hole with very little wobbling. Very tight. I think that's a 1/2 inch rod because this fits nicely in there as well. Alright, let's cut it out with this. Sadly, it will not fit in my Milescraft chuck in there. Look at that, that's pretty small. But it will fit in my Ryobi. It's the highest, goes all the way up to a 1/2. Look at that, quite a difference there. So if you get one of these, consider the size, the biggest you can get in there before you buy this one. This is one of the cheaper ones, but it works great. Alright, So let's see if we can get the center here. Okay, now I think we can go ahead and put this on here. That's all drilled through. Don't need to work on it anymore. Just want to get this nice and flush. Let's put the axle through. See where it takes us. Haha, that's not fun. Dang it. So, I guess it doesn't matter. We're gonna have to route that and make it go in the right place. Yeah, I knew it wasn't gonna be perfect. That sucks. Then I pre-cut this big dowel so I can have a good handle, hook that on later. And I thought I was gonna need some triangle pieces there to hold the leverage when you pull it back, but turns out it's really strong, and when I pinch the bottles to the top, it just tips on those wheels and don't need it. Pretty cool. As long as we need right there. Well, it eventually pushes through, and as you can see there, I get both tires put on. All right, here we go. Now that's a bandsaw. So much nicer. Fits beautifully. I say that because I just deleted 30 minutes of me trying to cut that on the jigsaw. This is not working well, so I took it to work and cut it in 30 seconds on a real bandsaw. So good riddance, cut out all that junk video. And finally I get that dowel that I cut earlier and drill some holes in it and put in some pretty good sized screws, and it's definitely not going anywhere, and I can move it around the shop finally. Awesome. Alright friends, there it is, basically done. A cart for the acetylene, oxygen acetylene torch, ready to go. Roll it around, secure. So now it's time to finish the video where I test it out, because I just got this part in the mail, which goes on here, which we couldn't do it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make something cool.